What's up guys, this is Len and welcome to the channel. First of all guys, before I say anything else, I just like to say thank you very much guys for watching the videos, subscribing to the channel, and not forgetting those who comment and like on those videos, man. I really appreciate that. Now guys, on this video I'm just gonna mention few things that you should expect when you're in this minoxidil journey. Now most of the things that I mentioned are the things that I went through myself, so probably I'm just giving you guys what I've been through so that you don't struggle as much as I did, or you can set your mind, man, so that you don't give up or you don't have any surprises while in this journey. Now let's start with the first thing that you should expect when you're in this minoxidil journey, or when you're about to start, because this video is about those who already started but not that long, and those who want to start this journey. So these are the things that I went through, man. First of all, you need to understand that it will take some time for your beard to show up. What I'm trying to say is it might take some time for results to show up. So I would say to you, rather give yourself 6 months to see the results. First of all, you'll be like, what, 6 months? That's too much, man. Yes, it is too much, but you don't know where do you fall within these categories of people, because we do have different type of gainers. We have slow gainers, we have moderate gainer, and we have fast gainers. So you don't know whether you fall within slow gainers or fast gainers. You don't know really. So I would say not to have a high expectation. Rather give yourself 6 months to see results. So just in case you are a slow gainer, then you are ready for that. Alright, another thing that you should expect in this journey is that it might disturb your daily schedule. Now you need to understand that you need to apply minoxidil once a day, at least, some twice a day. Now if you have a tight schedule, man, it might disturb your schedule, so you need to squeeze in application of minoxidil on your schedule. So you need to find a way how you're gonna do that. But as I always tell people, applying minoxidil once a day, it's more than enough. But if you want to see maximum results, you should apply it twice a day. So you need to find a way to squeeze in your application of minoxidil. Another thing that you should expect when you're in this journey is that you might experience side effect. Now, side effect, man, not everyone experiences them. Some they actually don't experience them, but majority we do experience side effects. Now it depends, man, it depends. Some of you might experience severe side effects, some of you will experience like few side effects, some of you might not even experience side effect, but I think you should expect experiencing side effects. Now it will depend on what you use. Usually if you start with the foam version of minoxidil, regardless of the brand, you might not experience any side effect. If you do, you might experience the light side effect, things like heart palpitation, fatigue, and probably the bloating of the face. I think those are the side effects that you might experience when you're on this journey using a foam. But if you're using a liquid, you might experience some severe side effects. You're not that severe, but disturbing, man, like things like rash, acne, and irritation, and more that people experience. I have experienced side effects, guys. I've made a video about side effects. You can check it out on that icon there and how I deal with them. So what you should do is research about the side effect, find out about the side effect that you might experience, and then take note on how to deal with them, because you never know, you might experience them, you might not experience them. If it happens that you don't experience any side effect, then that's good on you, man, that's good on you. So give yourself about 3 months before you can say minoxidil doesn't give you side effect, because usually it takes about 3 to 4 months to see whether minoxidil is going to give you side effect. And again guys, if you start with the foam version, chances are you won't have any side effects. You might have very small side effect, man. So again, if you're from South Africa and you're looking for a foam version of minoxidil, go on the description. I've left the link there where you can get yourself the foam version of Kirkland minoxidil. Now, another thing to expect when you're in this journey, you should know that this is a journey. Now, a lot of people, when they want to start this journey, they're expecting to be doing it for 3 months and then they stop. Look, man, if you do it for 3 months, you'll be wasting your money and your time, because most of us, it takes about a year or more to actually keep the gains that we have received from minoxidil. Now, if you're not ready for that, man, you better quit. Okay, better quit. I would say you should be on minoxidil for a year. Given that you know that you don't have any severe side effect, you should apply minoxidil for a year, at least every day for a whole full year before you stop. So you see, this is not just a simple journey, it's a very, very challenging journey, but not bad, man. If you apply minoxidil for a year consistently, so I am telling you, man, if you stop, you will keep those gains. Mostly about 75% of your gain will be them. Now, there are people who actually stop within 6 months and they still have those gains. Very, very few people. I don't know whether you're part of that few people, but I would say a year or more. Use minoxidil for more than a year. Another thing that you should expect again is that minoxidil beard journey is very expensive. I won't lie to you and say no, man, it's cheap. No, minoxidil beard journey, it's expensive, my good people, because you'll be applying minoxidil every day. That means that you will have at least 1 year supply for you to actually be consistent. Now, if you apply minoxidil once a day, it will be less expensive, but still it is expensive because you have to buy the product, man, and you have to apply the product, and on top of that you need to buy a moisturizer. Now, you don't really have to buy a lot of things, man. You don't really need to buy supplements and all those derma rolling stuff. Those are just extra stuff that can help your beard grow faster, but basically all you need is minoxidil and moisturizer. And if you don't want to see yourself spending a lot of money, just buy your pack of minoxidil and Nivea soft. That is the cheapest pack, in fact, for this journey. If you don't mind about your beard growth taking its time, just buy those 2 things and you're enough. Or beard oil, you can also add some beard oil on top of that. So very basic, but still, if you think about it, it is expensive, man. Remember, this is you're taking care of your beard, man. It's no longer about applying minoxidil. You're actually taking care of your beard. You want your beard to be clean and smooth, and also you want your skin on your beard to be as healthy as your beard. Now, another thing that you should expect now this depends on your pre-monox skin routine. Now, if you're the type of a person who used to wash your face once a day, now expect your skin to become nice and clean, because really what happens is minoxidil kind of forces you to wash your face twice a day. Even if you apply minoxidil once a day, man, you will need to wash it off, man. So before you apply it, you will wash your face, and before you sleep, you need to wash off the minoxidil, so your skin will be clear and very, very nice looking. So that is a nice expectation that you should have, given that minoxidil doesn't give you side effect. Remember, guys, if it doesn't give you side effect, expect to have a nice skin, man, nice facial skin. Right, another one that you should also expect is shedding. Now, this one is not bad, man. It looks bad, but it's really not bad. The reason why I say it looks bad, because you wanna start shedding, man, and it's so painful, because at the 4-month mark you will be having a nice beard, and then from there shedding might happen, and when it happens, it hits so hard. because you start losing your beard. You feel like you are going backwards. In fact, you feel like this is useless. You feel like stopping on top of that. So if that happens, if shedding happens, guys, shedding meaning if you start to lose your hair on your beard area. I don't know about the head, man. I don't know, so I can't speak for that, but I can only speak for if you lose your hair on your beard area. It's not a bad thing. Yes, it looks bad, but it's not bad. It doesn't mean that your hair now is transitioning from vellus hair to terminal hair. Now, vellus hair is that hair whereby if you stop applying minoxidil, it will fall off. But terminal hair is that hair in your face or in your area that will continue grow when you stop using minoxidil. Hence, you need to stay a little bit longer, or you need to use minoxidil for a little bit longer, so that most of your part in your beard area can turn terminal. When you stop, your beard can become permanent. Now the last one, I haven't experienced this one, but I've seen a lot of YouTubers, man, the old YouTubers, man, the OGs on this community, the ones who already stopped using minoxidil. The last expectation that you should have is if you have used minoxidil long enough. Listen to this. If you have used minoxidil long enough and you've been consistent with it, then know that your gains will be permanent. That is the thing that people don't talk about, man. Minoxidil actually gives you permanent gains, man. Your beard becomes permanent only if though you've used it for long enough. Hence I say 1 year is the minimum. So we have guys who have like used minoxidil for about 2.5 years, some of them 2 years, and they're no longer using minoxidil and they still have nice beard. They're just taking care of their beard. No more minoxidil, no more waking up in the morning, applying minoxidil at night, applying minoxidil. They're just enjoying their life, man, and then enjoying the results of minoxidil. So hence you need to apply minoxidil for longer. Now if you find this information useful, please share it with your friends. You can share the video with your friends who want to grow your beard. And yes, guys, minoxidil does work. As for me, I'm about a year and few months on this journey, but again, I won't say a year exactly because there was 2 months whereby I was not applying minoxidil. So I wouldn't say a year, man. I wouldn't say a year. I would say 9 months. Yeah, I would say 9 to 10 months on minoxidil. So this year I'm planning to apply minoxidil consistently the whole year, twice a day, and see what exactly is gonna happen to my beard. Since I've shaved my beard, I haven't done nothing to it, man. I haven't trimmed it. I have been lining it up and just leaving it to grow just like that. So guys, if you find this information useful and you want to see more of my content, you can subscribe to my channel, and also you can also leave a comment concerning what you've been going through with minoxidil or what you are going through at the moment, because I'm not gonna mention everything that you should expect. I'm only mentioning the things that I've been through. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, cheers.